Shipping from Scubaknights. I'm here with my Scubaknights family diving in Thailand, and I'm going to do some products review for you. So let's go. Hi, now that I'm back on land, I'm going to review for you the Seac Italica. This is the mask I used throughout my Phuket dive trip. At first, when I used the Seac Italica, the polarized lens was blocking out quite an amount of light on land. I thought it would affect my vision underwater, but surprisingly it did not. There was still sufficient light let through, although it's polarized underwater. The silicon skirting is very soft, and when I use it after I surface after a dive, I take off my mask, there's no mask mark around my face. It's very comfortable to use, and it's easy to equalize. The nose pocket is very soft, and they are textured rubber for you to grip on. The lens strap buckle is very good to use underwater as well. It's so easy to use, so you won't have to struggle while you try to change the length of your strap while diving. Overall, Seac Italica is a very nice mask to use. It's very cool looking, very comfortable, easy to use buckles. It has everything that I look for in a mask, but I wouldn't recommend instructors or dive master to have it because the students aren't able to look into your eyes. So your students might not know when you are looking at them or when you are looking at them to give them instructions. However, the best way to know whether a mask suits you is to go and try it out yourself. So for more details and information, do click the link either way. And yeah, stay tuned for next video.